At first take my salam all the teachers and students. Now I am telling some things about Sawa. Sawa means fasting. It is the third pillar of Islam. Muslims have to keep away for any kind of eating, drinking or smoking from dawn to the sunset for a month during Ramadan. Ramadan begins after Shawwal and ends to the Shawwal. The first day of Shawwal is the greatest festive and a joyful day to the Muslims. It is the day of Eid al-Fitr. Muslims are said to be gifted for starting the month long and Shawwal for Ramadan. Every Muslim should Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
माशाल्लाह।